Hi guys, let's make this delicious roasted chicken. Let's start by preparing the brine. In a large bowl, add an 1/8 cup of salt, 6 garlic cloves, a few sprigs of fresh rosemary and thyme, bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of black pepper. You can use peppercorns if you have them, and half a liter of hot water. Mix that together until the salt dissolves. Add some lemon slices and orange slices. Mix that until they are combined. Top that with 1.5 liters of cold water to make a total of 2 liters. Let the brine cool completely before adding the chicken. Add the chicken to the brine and make sure it's completely covered. Make sure the bowl that you're using is as large as possible. Use your largest bowl. Cover the bowl with cling film and put it in the fridge to brine for 24 hours. You can put it for anywhere between 8 hours to 24 hours. Brining the chicken will make the chicken very tender, juicy and moist. After 24 hours, remove the chicken from the brine and dispose the brine. Wipe down the chicken until all the water is completely wiped off. Let's spatchcock the chicken. This will just involve removing the backbone of the chicken. I'll be using these kitchen scissors to remove the backbone. Gently cut through the backbone on each side until it's completely removed. Wipe down the chicken to ensure it's completely dry. Then flip the chicken and press it on the chest to make sure it lies flat. That's perfect. Place the chicken on a baking tray. Let's make the BBQ Dry Rub. In a small bowl, add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of basil, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of brown sugar. Mix that together until they are well combined. Coat the chicken with vegetable oil to ensure that it will hold the dry rub well. Coat the chicken with dry rub completely. Make sure all the parts of the chicken are coated. Lift the skin of the chicken gently without removing it and apply the dry rub on the chicken. Let the chicken sit and marinate for about 30 minutes and then transfer it to a wire rack ready to bake. You can bake it on the baking tray directly, there is no problem. Bake the chicken at 190 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, apply some butter on the chicken and then let it bake for 10 more minutes. That's a perfectly roasted chicken. Look at that, so beautiful. Transfer the chicken to a plate and let it sit for about 10 minutes before cutting it. Let's taste the chicken. As you can see, the chicken is moist, tender, and very yummy. The skin is crispy and it's very tender on the inside. This chicken is a must try. It's perfect for any occasion. Look at that, the chicken is very juicy. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next one. Bye.